Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome back sa lahat ng Scorpio. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa February 23 to 28. So hanggang katapusan na ng buwan. Okay, at habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Scorpio na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you po. Sobrang appreciated. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan niyo rin ang aking channel para mag-grow siya. At makagawa pa ako ng maraming love reading pa para sa inyo. Kaya, ayun. Subscribe na. Like this video and engage na kayo through the comment section. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin today ay bubunot ako ng isang card which is the overall reading, overall energy of this reading. Tapos sa dulo, bubunot ulit ako ng isa pa to seal the energy. So, second card, ano ba ang energy? Memory. Oh. So, this love is something na nostalgic or mga alaala ay nagbabalik. Tingnan natin bakit memory card ang lumabas sa inyo. Okay. Scorpio. Okay. At habang binabalasa ko, just to remind everyone that this is a collective reading. Meaning, yung madlang Scorpio na energy ang nasasagap ko. So, it may or may not resonate kasi pwedeng hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo. So, kung hindi nag-resonate ko sa inyo, huwag nyo pilitin. Abangan nyo lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Hopefully, masagap yung energy nyo and mag-resonate yung reading. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this deck and interpret natin siya. Okay? Second card ulit. 7 of Swords. Oh, Ace of Cups. The Judgment. Justice. 8 of Swords. 2 of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. The Temperance. 6 of Wands. And last card, King of Swords. Okay. Okay, there's a strong energy of Sagittarius, Libra, and Scorpio. Okay. Okay. So, nagsimula siya sa Seven of Swords, nag-end siya sa King of Swords, and it's really about memory or the thoughts as shown here by the swords. And yun nga, kaya siguro nakakabit siya dito sa memory card. It's the thought of someone na minahal ninyo. Okay? So, si Seven of Swords, nagbabalik yung alaala ng person na minahal niyo as shown here by the Ace of Cups, which is a card of love. And Seven of Swords is also card of reflection. So, siguro may na-encounter kayo na experience this week that brought back the memories of the person you once loved. Pero, nakita dito sa Judgment card na you already made the choice, okay, to move on from this person. Kaya isa na lang siyang masayang alaala naman. There's good memories naman yung na-recall ninyo from this person. Okay, and nakikita ko dito sa The Judgment as well na napatawan nyo na rin to. Pwedeng hindi nga naging maganda yung ending ninyo, dalawa, pero sa part mo, nagbabalik yung happy memories kasi napatawad mo na rin siya. Hindi mo, kinalimutan mo na rin yung mga bad memories from this relationship. Napatawad mo na siya, okay? And you're moving on. And as shown here by the Justice card is you just want harmony in your life. Balance. Na, yun na, moving on to happy moments. Kasi, ayaw mo nang maging stuck. Okay, as shown here by the Ace of Swords. Ayaw mo nang maging stuck. It's, you already made the choice to, yun nga, itong Justice and Two Pentacles, medyo similar energy siya when it comes to choosing balance, choosing harmony, di ba? So, and also this Judgment then, parang, you really made a choice na to move on. It's just normal naman. Siyempre, minahal mo yung tao, di ba? Normal lang siya na once in a while, magbabalik yung memories, lalo na yung happy moments, lalo na kung pag may nakita kayo na may resemblance dito sa tao na to, or merong lugar kayong na daanan na nagre-remind sa inyo sa taong to, di ba? So, very normal naman siya. Okay? And as shown here by the King of Pentacles, you're having so much faith naman din when it comes to meeting someone new, di ba? And itong past, yung mga good memories in the past is will really help you na parang yun din yung mga good memories na yun, parang gusto mo siyang ma-experience mula sa new love. Okay, as shown here by the Temperance, you, again, balance na naman siya. Pero here, you're more at peace naman now. Diba? Since napatawad mo na nga, nakakabit siya dito kay Judgment, napatawad mo na yung tao, nag-move on ka na, you chose to move on, you're more at peace now. Okay, you have more balance. And now, there's so much abundance in your life at the moment, lalo na when it comes to your finances, there's so much abundance, and yun nga, ready ka na nga to meet someone new din, and you're using those good memories to inspire you more pagdating sa new love. And dito sa Six of Wands, okay, sa Six of Wands, there's victory in your life, lalo na pagdating sa romantic. Kasi nga, ready ka na eh. Saka yun, yung pagpapatawad is very important. Kasi, wala ka ng mga grudges or baggages na dala pag nag-move on ka na sa next love life. So, it's very helpful. And here in the King of Swords, you're more proactive now then to really move forward when it comes to love. And yung thoughts lang din talaga is, ayun, yung alaala nung nakaraan will just really help you move forward and experience new love. Okay? Sige. Parang very clear naman yung messaging for this. Wala naman akong na-feel na parang need i-clarify. Okay? So, ayun. Alright, so it's really just good memories, di ba? And at least, di ba, may masaya na alaala. Ibig sabihin, yung experience nyo when it comes to love, happy din naman siya. Hindi nga lang meant to be, di ba? Kaysa may mga iba na yung naalala nila sa taong to is yung mga bad memories, di ba? Hindi masaya. Ang sad lang. Pero kayo naman, every time may nakikita kayo na tao nga na may resemblance or lugar na significant, naalala niyo itong tao na to and yung mga happy moments na nakakabit dun sa mga lugar or na sasalubong nyo. Okay, sige. Since wala namang ika-clarify, tabi na natin to. Seal na lang natin itong reading with another card. Let's see, second card. Okay, friendship. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I guess in good terms naman kayo nitong tao na to. Yung person in the past, since napatawad mo na nga rin siya. And ayun, so you're in good terms with this person. You're open for friendship. And that's good thing, di ba? Na hindi naman talagang nag-burn ng bridge between the two of you. So, sana nag-resonate. So, claim this energy by commenting below memory and friendship. And yun. So, manifest lang ng new love. And it's a really good thing na okay kayo nung person ninyo. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Abangan nyo na lang ulit yung susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!